Hey everyone, my name's Aaron and I'm a realtor in Houston, Texas. I love working with home buyers. My favorite part? Being able to educate and guide them through the confusing home buying process, step by step. That's why I decided to create this series of videos. I hope you enjoy them. I'd love to help you with the purchase of your next home, and if you're not in my area, I'd be happy to help you find someone near you. It gets complicated. Hire an expert to help you. This is the fun part. By now, we've had a conversation about how I will represent you and what our relationship will look like. We've received a pre-approval for your loan and we have a realistic budget. At this point, we'll discuss all of the things that you're looking for in a home. We can narrow down the things that are most important to you, like the area, schools, distance from work, or shopping and restaurants. We'll discuss the size of the home you'd like, the size of the yard, how many bedrooms and bathrooms you'd like, if you're interested in a new home or something older, if you like modern homes or something more classic. With your budget in mind, I will start my search. I'll send you as many options as I can come up with, and we'll take some time to discuss these homes and narrow down the list. Now that we've narrowed that down, we can actually go shopping. This is the point that we go out and we see the homes in person. We'll walk the homes, we'll compare our notes, and we'll find the right house. Now, we get down to business. I will have done research on that particular house, and based upon the homes that have sold and that are currently for sale in that immediate area, the size and condition of this home versus those will determine our opinion of the value. We'll come up with the price that we're comfortable offering. We'll discuss the things that make a stronger offer versus the things that make a weak offer. We'll discuss the things that we may want to ask for, like furniture or an option period that I'll explain in a future video, or a home warranty, maybe even help with our closing cost. We'll determine who will pay for certain expenses at closing, and depending on the market, we may have to offer something to the seller to make our offer stand out above others. With that, I'll put together our offer and send it to the seller's agent. The sellers will reply and we'll begin to negotiate, and we'll hopefully come together with a deal that works for you and for the sellers. Once all parties have signed, we have what we call an executed contract. In the next video, I'll take you through what happens next.